'Cause I'm no longer gonna be your thing. Just a girl on your arm, fell for your charm. Ring the alarm, 'cause I'm running, running, running.
Start by taking a section of hair from the crown. Make a ponytail and secure it with a rubber band. Make a small opening. Flip the hair into the space and pull tight. Now take small sections of hair under the first one and repeat the process. Continue to do this on 3 to 4 sections. Make sure to pull some strands out of the sides to open it up and add volume. For that stunning shine all day long, use an amla-based shampoo and conditioner that'll enhance any hairstyle. You can add some hair accessories like mine to add a festive touch to your hairstyle. Spray some hairspray on your comb, run it flat over your scalp to tame any flyaways. Divide a section of hair from the crown down to the top of your ears. Then tie the section at the back into a ponytail. Now braid it. Wrap the braid into a bun and secure it with U-pins. Create a side parting with the front section. Twist the section on the right side. For a firm and neat hairdo, twist along the direction in which the hair needs to sit. Wrap it around the bun and secure. Repeat the process with the section on the left.